Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Hype is looking slightly bullish right now, trading around $70 to $71. Momentum remains positive and the chart is showing signs of continued strength. Now, let's jump into the analysis and see what could happen next. Hey traders, that's it for today's analysis. If you'd like access to fresh crypto scalp and swing signals, high profit potential trade setups are now available on Patreon. Join for just $10 per month, link in the description and bio. And remember, always do your own research before making any trading decisions. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching and happy trading!